In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to pay for your trip on a previously created quote or booking. So the first way is to go to your email, open your email, and click on Confirm Trip or Pay for my trip. When you click, you will be redirected to our website, to your environment. This is your trip. You can just click on Pay Now. Pay Now brings you to the section for payment, and you have two options: to pay in full or simply to pay a deposit. The deposit is always 20%. You can pay in euro or pay in your local currency. First of all, put your name, the card number, the expiry, and the CVV, the last 3 digits at the back of the card. If you pay for somebody else, put the name of the person that you want to pay for. Otherwise, leave it empty. Click on Accept the Terms and Conditions and click on Pay Now. You may receive a text message on your mobile phone. So you just have to type the message that you have received on your mobile phone. It's generally a 6 or 8 digit. For the purpose of this presentation, this is checkout 1 here. So I press continue and you are redirected back to our website after the security have been verified. You get a thank you message on our website and an email has been sent to you confirming your payment. Payment update, thank you for submitting your payment, and you get at the bottom the confirmation that you paid $3.24 and an outstanding balance. The other way to reach that booking that you've made is to go on our website, click on the login button on the top right there, the little person, log in, and you automatically get to your quote. From here, it's simple. You click on See Detail, Edit and Pay, and you find the same button, Pay Now. You will notice that I've done a payment already and this quote is partially paid now. Why? Because we paid $3.20 just a minute ago, $3.24. You can decide to do another payment. So click on Pay Now, go down. You can pay in full. I'm going to pay in US dollar this time. So that's the payment in full, what remains in US dollar. I'm going to select my card, put the last 3 digits at the back, and click Pay. Notice that I will receive another text message on my phone to really validate that it is me and not somebody else that is using the card. When I receive the text message, I put the number that is inside the text message here and I click Continue. When I've done that, I will be redirected to the page. And I will receive an email confirming the payment that has been done. And you see, there's now 2 payments listed. Note that the first one is in euro and the second one shows you the amount in US dollar that you've been charged. The outstanding balance is now €0. You can see that this is your invoice and it is fully paid. If you go to your environment online by clicking to the little login button on the right, you see also that it is fully paid. And you can double check your tour by clicking Details. Thank you.